Welcome back, guys. Welcome back. Always wanted to do one of these videos on these side-by-side refrigerators. So here we go. Alright, so I pulled this apart last night, and that wire is not part of the deal, but the rest of it is. So, compressor, come off of here. This tubing here was on the back side, back and forth in the back of here. The thin stuff, the thin copper tubing there, was around the outside, around that door on this, just this side over here, on the small one. The small, and the wire was out of the back. So, and the defrost unit and that aluminum piece, and this one had this and the defrost and the motor, so that all is out of here. Inside here, it's a lot of work. This is what you get out of it. Some of that wire was in this part, but the rest of that was in another unit. I think that's all was on this. Sometimes this is from the other one I took apart. Sometimes this piece that covers that unit there is aluminum. Most of the time it's not. It's hard to tell, it's so thin. But that covers it up on the other side. Alright. And of course they're real heavy with the glass in them. Once you get this out of there, that's all you get out of it. A little bit of wire, aluminum fan, cooler, compressor. Of course you're always supposed to suck them down. People comment, you didn't suck them down, you just vented the air. No, right here, you see, no, I have one right there, and we sucked it down, and there's the tanks, R12, 134 over there. So we suck them down. We haven't had a chance to find some way of recycling it yet, because the locals don't want to deal with us. Too much regulations. So yeah, this is some of the stuff out of the other one I've taken out so far. This one, the other back is aluminum. This is what we got. This stove, another stove outside, another refrigerator. That's what we got. Take apart. It's not a lot. It's not a lot, but if that's what you want to do with your time, knock yourself out. Scrap is really high right now. Not too much. Most of the videos I've seen out there, guys. See, there's not much on the curve because the prices are pretty high. Pretty high. Prices being pretty high. The scrapyard, everybody's hauling it in, so that's what it is. But we don't give the scrapyard any more than what we have to. There's nothing left underneath here except for tin. The filter's not worth nothing. Yeah, we peel all the copper around in there again. I say right now it's pretty light. Pretty light. Alright. Just wanted to do a video. I wanted to show you how much is really in there. I don't know if I've seen anybody do a video on one. What's left in there. Another little piece of wire. Another little piece of wire. And we strip all the wire. Peel it all out. So all that's left is coating. Just the coating. Nothing inside of it. Alright. We can even go so far as take these little boards out of them. These little boards, not sure why. It's supposed to have like 14 carats of gold in them, but that's in itself is a big undertaking in the processing that we haven't got to, but we got it out of there. Once we get it out of there, then another day we can take care of that. You know what I mean?